Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today I'm sharing with you guys a Dollar Tree haul. This has only been my second time or maybe third in the last few months I've actually gone to Dollar Tree. They have a ton of new, fun, cute crafting items. I'm really excited to share some of them with you. I did not get a ton, but I do want to show you what is out there. So this year, and I recently just decluttered my craft room, so I'm really being mindful about items that I purchase and pick up and already have ideas for what I'm going to make or create with these items. So without further ado, let's get in. So everything I bought, I already know what I'm going to make. So that makes it really exciting, and it just kind of makes it more fun to craft with when you purchase items that you already know what you're going to do with. The first item here is this heart wreath form. I think they have these all the time or every year because it's not any sort of like Valentine decor piece, but it's definitely going to be Valentine DIY. I don't do a ton of crafting for Valentine's Day, but I do enjoy making a few items and decorating my home. I'm not a huge person that decorates for Valentine's Day, but I kind of gotten to do a little bit more the past few years. The next thing is this welcome sign. This is a wreath ring, it says, and it says, oh, I have a black shirt on, so black and black's not really gonna go with, but it says welcome. There. It says welcome. And I think this is cute to stick in the middle of like a boxwood wreath or something. This is super cute, and I can't wait to make, I think I'm gonna do something for spring with this one. I also finally found, I'd say finally, but I don't go to Dollar Tree all the time, so it's not like I was looking, but if it was there, it was there. One of these beaded rings. I kind of like the quality of the ones at Hobby Lobby a little bit better, so if you can't find them at Dollar Tree, go check out Hobby Lobby when they're 50% off. But I did grab one of these, and this is going to be super cute for, I'm thinking farmhouse. I'm going to do a solid farmhouse DIY with this. The next thing is these roses. I think these are really great for Valentine's Day, so I grabbed a pink one, a white one. Nope, this is not white, this is red. And then two white ones. I think these are so fun to use. I really liked these, and I think they're really pretty. So grabbed 4 of these, but I'm going to use every single one. So don't you worry, they're not going to go to waste, and I'm not going to be decluttering in a month getting rid of all this stuff. The next thing I picked up are these little hexagon signs. I love any of their wood signs. Actually, I didn't realize they're different sizes. I don't think I meant to buy the one inside, but I guess I did. I had to have. So they have, obviously they have larger ones and smaller ones, and I did not realize that. So I grabbed 2 large ones, 2 small ones, and now I think I have to come up with something different because I had an idea for 4 of the same size ones. We'll see. But anyways, I still think these are really cool, and I love anything Dollar Tree has that has that faux wood along the side. Super fun. The next thing is their little farmhouse signs, and I think these are adorable. I love anything farmhouse, so this was right up my alley, and I think they're all the same, so I'll have to come up with like a couple different, yeah, they're all the same. You get 3 in a pack, so I will definitely come up with like 3 different crafts to do with these, so I can use all of them. The next thing are these really cute card holders. I think these are so cool. I got this one for Valentine's Day because I honestly think this would be a really cute gift idea. We have one of those Intex cameras that just like print out as you take the photo, and I thought this would be really cute to put a couple different pictures of the kids, or my girls love their animals, so it'd be really fun to like put little pictures of their animals on here. We have goats and ducks and a cat, and we have a dog, so I think that would be really cool to do for them for Valentine's Day, and it is a really cute and inexpensive gift idea. But they had the love one, and then they also had the home one as well. And this, I think this would just be cute just to display different pictures on every now and then, just so you can kind of, you know, I don't normally get a ton of photos done, so I think this would kind of make me want to. The next thing I found were these house-shaped signs. This one says home sweet home, and I know that with some nail polish remover or acetone you can take anything off Dollar Tree galvanized signs. So I thought this was cute. This will screw off so you can paint or add scrapbook paper. I plan on redoing these, but I picked up a home one, and then they also had one that said family, together we have it all. And actually these are just really cute if you wanted to add them to larger signs or add some scrapbook paper, or even like put a picture in the middle of your family. There's just so many really cute things you can do. I also picked up a second Home Sweet Home one. The next thing I picked up is these galvanized signs. These are great because if you flip them over, they are completely blank. So you could actually have them double-sided. I liked these little beads on the corners. I think those are really cool. But you can just take some nail polish remover, take this off. It works great. But you could have this double-sided. So if you want to do, you know, Christmas, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, or fall, Christmas, Easter, whatever you choose, it's really great because you can get 2 DIYs for the price of one little sign. So they had this one. It does say eat well, live simply, laugh often, which would be really cute in a kitchen. This one says let's do this. Like I said, the backs are blank, so perfect. The next thing I found, rub-on transfers. I just grabbed a pack of these. These are really fun. They remind me of like that boho type feel to them. I really liked these. So they have like some like rainbows, some plants, some butterflies. I just thought they were really cute, and I love rub-on transfers, so I hopefully Dollar Tree gets more because I am all about their transfers. Actually, I have a ton, so I probably don't need more. So I do have a ton from when they came out a while back because I'm a transfer hoarder. I just love them. And then I grabbed these stickers. These are like some fun farmhouse stickers, and I really liked these. They say welcome, faith and love, home, family, grateful, thankful, blessed. And then they just have some plain ones that you can use, but I love using these on Dollar Tree signs. I think they are super cute. And I also found these signs. I am a sucker for anything this faux shiplap with the beads. I think it is so cute, and I honestly can't wait to use. I think I'm gonna do rub-on transfers on these or Cricut. I'm not sure, but I know that I can make some really cute signs with Cricut transfers or even Chocolate. So I'm not sure, but I have ideas. And they also had this size sign as well. These ones were my favorites, so I guess I showed the best for last. But I love this one. It's a rectangle, has the same color. I don't know, or I didn't see that they had any other color but this one, so there you have it. You guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this quick Dollar Tree haul. If you guys liked this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!